Beleza.
So it's literally blackout. So we don't have electricity. It's really boring. Just look at my house. Yeah. So I'm using this phone. It's the light. Yeah. Using candle. I've just placed my water. I'm going to bed. Let me show you outside. Like there's no electricity. I think they always it. Blackout. Good morning guys. So today is on Saturday 16th November. I just woke up and it's really raining. Well, let me show you first. So this is the weather we're experiencing today. So I was just washing my house. I finished washing my house. That is dust, and that is the basin that I was using. Today I'm supposed to go to Dandora. There's something that I'm going to do there, but I won't go with my phone because I'm afraid it might get stolen, so I would go with my phone. But oh, by the way, let me tell you a story. So yesterday I happened to have washed my clothes. So guess what? They're getting rained on. So I don't know how long they'll take to dry up because of this weather. Well, hata sijui. It looks like night. Juu kuna giza ya mvua. My night rain. Hata sijui itakauka saa ngapi. I just washed. So I want to cook tea and then I'll rest because there's nothing that I'll do with this rain. Or oh, by the way, I have some videos that I need to edit. So I'll be editing those videos. So it's really raining to the point of water is starting to get into my house. Let me show you. Yeah. So this is water in my house. It had started getting into my house. So water is inside my house.
You give me butterflies when you smile, and it feels so good. I just can't hide. I wanna hold your hand, but it get too shy. Just me and you. What should I do? I used to be so quiet, like a flower on your wall, and everything around you made me feel like I was small. But then you said my name.
Hii imekataa hichi. Leta kamba. Usichukue hizi kama.
Beleza.
Isha. Mweke kando la please. Happy birthday. Ngoja. Kuja kusimama hapo, simama hapo. Mama hapo Rosika. Kuja. Zinaisha. Nitoe. Zinaisha. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Rosie. Happy birthday to you. Songa hapa karibu. Are you now? How old are you, Rosie? 4. How old are you now? Happy birthday, dear Rosie. Happy birthday to you. Unaweza blow. Hey. Hiyo ndo Rosie alikuwa anangoja.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Oh, hello, Papa.
So sweet like a lemonade. Take time, we can get it a minute made. We can do something new, let me innovate. We can take it slow like we iterate. So sweet like a lemonade. Take time, we can get it a minute made. We can do something new, let me innovate. Take it slow like we iterate. Thought I could run away. Your smile made me wanna stay. Come with me, we can make a way. Give me time, let me demonstrate. Want you over, want you closer. Let me love you like I'm supposed to. Any struggle, make it over. Just remember what I told you. So sweet like a lemonade. Take time, we can get it a minute made. We can do something new, let me innovate. We can take it slow like we iterate. So sweet like a lemonade. We can do something new, let me innovate. Take time, making you a minute made. Take it slow like we in the rain.
Hey guys, good morning. So today is on 21st November. That is on Thursday. I woke up and it's really raining. Let me show you. So it's raining. I had to wash my house. Because there's no way you can stay in a dirty house because it's raining. I've really been rained on. As you can see my sweater, so I want to change. I've finished, so I want to change and then go take tea. Hey guys, so I want to do my baby's hair. Here's the hair. Here is she. Here is she. So I want to make this hair damp. It's really dry. Today we're not doing blow dry. I'll just shuka it. Nashuka na ikiwa na maji.
Hello Tata. Hello Tata. Sasa unaona wewe ni mwongo sana.
Hey guys, so I was in a call with the photographer. So it's officially 1 week. 1 week 2 days. Okay, 1 week 2 days since we went for a photo shoot and I haven't received my pictures. I'm really mad because I've been calling him. He's been telling me I'll send them in the evening. I'm busy right now. I'll send them in the evening. So to the point I'm like, okay, I paid full amount. You get? I paid full amount. So what's stopping you from sending me the photos? So anyway, let me tell you a story how I got myself into this situationship or relationship turned situationship. So last year I wanted to do a photo shoot, yeah, and so I had this certain inspo that I wanted to do, but the photographer that I normally go to, he didn't have the props that I wanted. So I went to Instagram, googled some pictures, and then I saw this nice page with this, that he does kids photo shoot. The page is good. If you see it, like, you'll like the photos. So I DM'd him. He sent me their rates. At that moment it was expensive for me, so I didn't do that. You get?
So I went back to the photographer that I normally go to. This year, there was a client who wanted me to do her kids' hair. If you see my last vlog, then you'll see that part. And then I went there actually. I went there and was like, wow, this is the same studio that I wanted. And then I was like, this is a sign, because it was 2 weeks to my baby's birthday. So I talked to the photographer, I showed him the idea that I wanted, and he was like, yeah, you can bring the kid. He was so nice. So I don't know why he's acting like this. So a week to my baby's birthday, I texted him on their official Instagram page. I texted him and I was like, he sent me the rate. I didn't explain that I was the one who talked to him, because he had earlier told me the prices, yeah. So he sent me the rates. At day 2, it was on Sunday, so I wanted to go for the shoot on Monday, and then my baby's birthday was on Tuesday, yeah. So I texted him like, I want to come for a shoot tomorrow. That was on Sunday. I want to come for a shoot on Monday. Are you guys busy? He didn't text me. He left me on red. On Monday, I texted him, are you guys busy? Because you're not answering the message. He left me in red. So I was like, as an understanding customer, I was like, maybe he's busy, because he normally has a lot of clients, get. So maybe he's busy, that's why he's not texting me back. So I was like, I'll just go. On Monday, there was a blackout. So I called him. I took a number from their official page. I called him and I was like, hey, I want to come for a shoot. He told me at the moment we don't have electricity. We also didn't have electricity. So I was like, okay, you can go out, you get. So on Monday, I told him when electricity comes, you can just call me, because siko mali. It's if you go with the Uber, it's 10 minutes, but if you go with the public transport, it's like 20 to 25, depending on how many minutes the car will stand on the stage, you get. So on Tuesday I called him again. So on Monday he didn't call back, because niliamini electricity haikuwa pia kwetu. On Tuesday I called him and I was like, hey, I'm coming. So we went, we did a photo shoot. It was great, even though my baby didn't cooperate, you get. So he asked for he asked when the birthday will be. So we told him it was on Tuesday, that day that we had gone for a shoot. It was like, okay, then I'll try in the evening to send some photos. In the evening came, it passed, he didn't send. On Wednesday came, on Thursday came, on Friday came. So I called him on Friday. I was like, hey, are you done with the photos? He was like, no, I'm not done with the photos. I was sick. I had a toothache. I was sick, so I understood, you get, because you can't play with sickness. So I'll send them the pictures once I'm done. I'll try tomorrow, get. On Saturday I called him. He was like, no, he wasn't done with the photos. On Sunday I called him and I was like, hey, he told me that he was done with the photos. So he'll send them on Sunday night. He didn't send them. On Monday I called him again. He was like, hey, nilikuwa busy. I was busy. I was outside doing some photo shoots, so I'll send them in the evening. He didn't send them. They came yesterday. I called him. He didn't pick my calls. Today I called him again and I was like, ati nimekuwa mongo sana, let me just I'll send them the photos. Yani I'm frustrated, because the problem is he doesn't communicate. If you text him, he leaves you on red, you get. I'm frustrated. I'm mad because, okay, so I saw these red flags, but I ignored all of them. Because at first I texted him, he left me on red. I asked him to call me back, he left me on red. I texted him on Wednesday, like, we are not on hurry because that imepita, but just try and send the pictures. He didn't send me, so I saw the red flags, but I ignored them. But you're not supposed to do. And I regret going to that photo shoot, because the photographer that I normally goes to is like, once you have paid, we'll send you the pictures. Like, if you go today, in the evening, they'll send you the pictures. It takes 3 hours. And he sends you nice photos. Maybe I'll parade him. I'll parade the photos here. I'll put them somewhere here so you can see. He sends you nice edited photos. I've been going to him and I've never regretted going to him. I only went to this guy because I wanted the props. I wanted my baby to use the prop.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun, as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. The moonlight, summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay on forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts run.
Basi nilikuwa naita ng'ombe aje.
Ulikuwa unaita ng'ombe aje? Tembea twende.
Nilikuwa naita papa.
Rozi, wewe ni muongo.
Anja. Go away. Mama nanganya. Mama.
Hizo ni mbaya. Kuja hii side. Nataka beads za watoto. Beads. Mko na kala gani? Mko na purple? Twende hivi. Rosetta. Ingiza hapa ndani ubebe. Haya, beba. Beba hii. Unataka hiyo? Unataka hii ingine? Basi hizi beads siko sure nazo. Hizi ni blue. Peke yako ukifanya nini? Peke yako ukifanya nini? Ndio tuktuk. Unatoka kwa barabara.